great feeling. It's such a great experience making the film. It's been like I
Still
said,
waiting for
a
the
long
session,
time
and I
coming.
forget they're going to have a
I remember being nominated when I was 25.
Yeah,
and
we
now
do.
50.
How you doing? Yeah, good. Thank you.
Feeling. I'm over the moon. Yeah, it's a lovely feeling. It was a great part and a great film to be part of, and I'm just so happy that Conor McPherson gave me a chance to do this kind of part that had a lot of comic sensibilities to it, and it's a lovely feeling. It's great. I hope it helps the film, and I hope it helps me too.
Now, as far as this role goes, how much more did you invest in this, or was it just what was it about the role that you thought?
Well, I love the fact that I got to play the asshole, and I didn't have to work with my Irish dialect coach. I could use my own accent, and I just loved. It was a great story, what it was about, and got to work with these wonderful actors. Kieran Hines, it was incredible, and Conor McPherson, who was a fantastic director. It was just absolutely great to work with. Yeah.
What are you going to do with the award?
I don't know. I'll sit on my desk, I suppose.
It'll be good. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Thank you.